This is the Snipex Alligator, Ukraine's most powerful sniper rifle, and it's built for extreme impact. It fires massive .50 caliber rounds capable of punching through walls and even armored vehicles with ease. At long distances, its shots remain devastating, making it one of the most feared weapons on the battlefield. Measuring over 6.5 feet long and weighing around 55 pounds, this rifle is so heavy that it often requires two people just to move and operate it properly. Every detail is designed for power, not convenience. This isn't something used for quick shots or mobility. It's built for precision, distance, and overwhelming force. From its size to its impact, everything about it is meant to dominate. In the right hands, it becomes more than just a weapon. It turns into a presence that changes the entire battlefield.